What if everything you know about the night sky is a lie? Billions of stars burn across the universe, yet the heavens are black. The answer isn't just science. It's a secret about existence itself, a profound truth whispered across cosmic eons. Imagine standing alone beneath the silent, star-dusted canopy of night. Above you stretches infinity, billions of stars burning with unthinkable power, each one a sun, each one a miracle of fusion. Yet, the sky is black. Endless. Empty. Why? If the universe is teeming with light, why do we perceive such profound darkness? For centuries, this question haunted astronomers, priests, and philosophers alike. It whispered of something terrifying, that perhaps our understanding of reality itself is incomplete. That what we see is only the faintest echo of what truly exists, a mere glimpse through a veil. Every point of light up there, every shimmer you glimpse through the dark, carries the memory of time itself. You are not just looking at stars, you are looking into the past, millions, even billions of years back. Each photon is a time capsule, a relic from a distant epoch. So what is the truth hidden inside the cosmic shadow? Why does the universe choose to reveal itself through darkness? The answer will shake the very way you perceive existence, because the darkness of space is not absence, it is a message, written in wavelengths your eyes can no longer see. Stay with me to the end, and you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. And if you believe curiosity is the light of the mind, subscribe now, to keep this spark burning, and help us create more journeys like this one into the heart of cosmic mystery. In the early 19th century, a German astronomer named Heinrich Olbers dared to ask a question that shattered the comfortable illusions of science. If the universe is infinite and filled with stars, why is the night sky not blazing with light? It was a question that turned wonder into confusion, and confusion into revelation. At first glance, the logic seems irrefutable. If there are countless stars scattered uniformly through infinite space, then every direction we look should eventually end on the surface of one. The night should be as bright as day, a blinding sea of endless radiance, with no dark patches at all. Yet when we look up, we are met not by blinding light, but by darkness so deep it feels eternal. Olbers' paradox exposed something unsettling. Our fundamental assumptions about the universe were profoundly wrong. The very fabric of our cosmic understanding began to unravel. For centuries, philosophers and scientists believed the cosmos was static and eternal, an infinite stage lit by eternal suns. But Olbers' question whispered a different truth. Perhaps the universe had a beginning. Perhaps it changes. Perhaps darkness itself carries the signature of creation, a silent testament to its dynamic nature. This paradox was not just a riddle about stars, it was a mirror reflecting humanity's blindness. We thought we understood light, yet it was the dark that held the answers, patiently waiting for us to decipher its profound message. It forced us to reconsider everything. What if the blackness above isn't emptiness at all, but the proof that the universe is alive, moving, expanding, evolving? Stay with me, because in the next moment, the universe will reveal its first great secret, a truth that reshaped our entire cosmic perspective. For centuries, humanity imagined the universe as still and eternal, a silent cathedral where the stars hung motionless in an infinite sky. But in 1929, an American astronomer named Edwin Hubble changed everything, forever altering our perception of the cosmos. With a powerful telescope perched high on Mount Wilson, Hubble peered deep into the night and saw something astonishing. Galaxies were not static. They were drifting away from us, their light stretched and reddened as they moved. The farther they were, the faster they fled, a cosmic ballet of recession. This single revelation unraveled the ancient illusion of a fixed cosmos. It meant that space itself was not merely a passive container, it was stretching, expanding, actively pulling apart the fabric of reality. The universe was not static, it was a dynamic, living entity. And as space expanded, the light from distant stars and galaxies was stretched too, its waves lengthened into red, then into infrared, and finally into invisible frequencies. This phenomenon, known as cosmological redshift, is the universe's way of dimming its own ancient lamps. What once blazed brightly across the heavens, visible to any eye, was now hidden beyond the reach of human sight. The light is still there, but its energy has been diluted, its wavelength elongated, pushing it out of our visible spectrum. So the darkness we see is not the absence of light, but its transformation. The night sky is filled with energy, echoes of countless suns, their light slowed, softened, and stretched across time. The blackness of space is, in truth, the whisper of a living universe in motion, a testament to its ongoing evolution. And yet, there is something even older, more ancient than the stars themselves, a silent glow from the very birth of everything. Stay with me, because next, we'll uncover the oldest light in existence, the afterglow of creation itself, a relic from the universe's fiery dawn. Long before our world had names for galaxies or theories for creation, There was a moment when the entire universe was nothing but fire, a dense, blinding, and infinitely hot plasma. This was the universe's infancy, a time of unimaginable energy and chaos. When that primordial fire cooled enough, approximately 380,000 years after the Big Bang, it left behind a trace, a faint afterglow that still lingers in every corner of the cosmos. This pivotal event, known as recombination, allowed light to finally travel freely through space. Scientists call this ancient radiation the cosmic microwave background, CMB. It is the oldest light in existence, the silent memory of the Big Bang itself, a direct snapshot of the universe when it was just a baby. It is the universe's birth cry, frozen in time. This ancient radiation is not the light of stars, but the echo of the universe's birth, stretched by expansion, and cooled to just a whisper above absolute zero. It fills every inch of space, even the emptiness between atoms, a uniform hum of cosmic history. When you raise your eyes to the night sky, that darkness is not empty. It's alive with invisible waves of energy, tiny photons that have been traveling for nearly 14 billion years, carrying with them the memory of everything that ever was, a cosmic message from the dawn of time. If our eyes could see microwaves instead of visible light, the heavens would glow in every direction, bathed in the dim, eternal warmth of creation's aftermath. What you think is blackness is actually history, an ancient message written in radiation, still echoing from the beginning of time, a constant reminder of our origins. The night sky, then, is not a void, it's a canvas painted with the universe's first breath, a masterpiece of cosmic evolution. But beyond that afterglow, another mystery waits, one that bends not just light, but time itself. Stay with me, because next, we'll chase the light still traveling toward us from the past, a journey through cosmic memory. Every time you look at the stars, you are not seeing the universe as it is, you are seeing it as it was. Light, though swift, is not instantaneous. It takes years, centuries, even millennia to reach us across the vast cosmic distances. Each photon is a tiny time traveler. The glow you see from a nearby star may have left its surface before humans ever wrote their first words. The radiance from distant galaxies began its journey before Earth itself was born, before our solar system even coalesced from dust and gas. In a profound way, we are surrounded not by the present, but by the ghosts of light, each photon a messenger from a past that no longer exists. The universe is a grand archive, and we are its eager, if limited, readers. Some of those stars you admire tonight have already died. Their fires went out long ago, perhaps millions of years in our past, yet their light still travels across the cosmic sea, defying extinction, a final, lingering farewell. It is a haunting reminder that in this vast universe, even death takes time to be seen. The darkness between stars is not emptiness, it is simply light that hasn't arrived yet, light still on its journey across the immense cosmic ocean. The universe is still unfolding before our eyes, and every second, more ancient light reaches us, carrying the stories of creation across time itself, a continuous stream of cosmic history. To gaze into the night sky, then, is to witness memory, the universe remembering itself, constantly broadcasting its past. We are not passive observers, we are participants in a conversation across billions of years, decoding the whispers of distant suns, connecting with the very origins of existence. But what happens when even that light fades away, when time itself begins to slow, and the universe grows cold? Stay with me, because next, we'll step into the end of time, contemplating the ultimate fate of the cosmos and our place within it. Beyond the light of the most distant galaxies, beyond even the cosmic microwave background, lies a boundary, the edge of the observable universe. This isn't a physical wall, but a limit imposed by the age of the universe itself. We can only see as far as light has had time to travel to us since the Big Bang. This cosmic horizon means that there are parts of the universe that exist, but whose light has not yet reached us, and perhaps never will. The universe is vastly larger than what we can currently perceive, stretching into realms forever beyond our direct observation. The darkness, in this sense, is also a testament to the universe's immense scale and its finite age. It reminds us that our perception, however advanced, is always bound by the laws of physics and the relentless march of time. It's a humbling thought, an entire cosmos existing beyond our sight, filled with untold wonders and mysteries. The blackness is a canvas upon which the universe paints its grandest secrets, many of which remain hidden, waiting for future generations to uncover. This cosmic horizon is not a barrier to wonder, but an invitation to imagine. It prompts us to consider what lies beyond, what forms of light and matter might exist in those unseen realms, forever expanding our understanding of what is possible. The darkness, therefore, is not just about what we can't see, but about what might be there, just out of reach. It fuels our curiosity, pushing the boundaries of scientific inquiry and philosophical contemplation, urging us to look deeper. When we stare into the darkness of space, we are not just looking outward, we are looking inward. The night sky becomes a mirror, reflecting the deepest truth about existence, that even in the vast silence, meaning endures. The blackness that once seemed empty is, in fact, overflowing with energy, history, and unseen light. It reminds us that what appears invisible is often the most powerful. Just because we cannot see something does not mean it isn't there. This profound lesson extends beyond the cosmos, touching every aspect of our lives, urging us to look beyond superficial appearances. The same truth lives within us. Our dreams, our hopes, our strength, sometimes they fade beyond visible sight, buried beneath fear or time. Yet, like the light of dead stars still crossing the universe, their energy continues to move forward, touching others in ways we may never know. The cosmos teaches us patience, humility, and wonder. Patience, because truth takes time to arrive. Humility, because we are tiny yet made of the same atoms as the stars. And wonder, because every moment we exist is proof that we are part of something infinite, something truly magnificent. So the next time you see the dark sky, remember, it isn't darkness you're seeing, but the heartbeat of a living universe, pulsing quietly through eternity. It is a tapestry woven from light and time, a profound narrative of creation and existence. Let that thought fill you with awe, courage, and an insatiable curiosity. If this journey made you think, if it reminded you how precious it is to be alive in such a mysterious cosmos, and if it ignited a spark of wonder within you, then don't let that spark fade. Subscribe now to join our community of cosmic explorers, hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure, and share this video with anyone who dares to look up and ask why. Let's keep exploring the infinite together, one profound question at a time.